Hey guys, Jeremy here from Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Approved, and Rig Ready Used. I'm here to answer your questions today on should I be buying a diesel because I tow or because I think I will? Well, first off, I recommend buying we all recommend buying a gas truck if you're not going to be towing a whole lot. It's just kind of better on fuel, etc., etc. I'll go over that more later in the video here. First off, only buy it if you know you're going to be able to be towing a lot for a diesel. So, if you're going to be doing like going out camping in the summer, plenty of times every weekend throughout the year, you're going to want a diesel. That'll help you out much more, especially if you're going long distances. Another question we get asked here is how often do you need to tow for a diesel to be financially worth it? Well, for one, as I kind of explained, if you're going to be doing a frequent amount, if you're going to be only towing a couple times a year, you can get away with a gas 2500, even 3500. So, diesel is, as I said, you're going to want it for those longer trips and stuff like that. Another question we were asked here is what are the downsides of diesel ownership? So basically, if you're going to be doing a lot of short trips, not really worth it. Downsides really just it's more to maintain, just DEF like gas or diesels, but a little more expensive. Just kind of overall, it's just going to be a little bit more. Last question here is gas better for occasional towing? As I kind of explained before, yes, gas is better for the odd trip here and there. Gas, it does burn more fuel when you are towing, but if you're going to be doing frequent towing, diesel is the way to go. Oh yeah, one last question here is which one is better for reselling, gas or diesel? So diesel is typically better for resale value just because we're in Alberta. We get a lot of those diesel customers here, especially, we're close-ish to Fort Mac, close to the city. People around here have boats. They like to go camping, stuff like that. So definitely the diesel market is hot here, making it, diesels usually have a little bit more resale value, less of that when you drive off the lot, automatic money down the drain. Less of that happens with the diesels, to a certain extent, depending on how much you paid and the deal you got. Here in Redwater, we try and offer the best deals possible since we are kind of off the beaten path a bit from those city stores in the city. So, typically we try to do that here. But if you have any more questions, feel free to come visit us here in store in Redwater, or you can come give us a call at 780-942-3629.